Hi friends, I'm Stuart Lee. This is my channel, Mr. Lee Teaches, and for the last 4 years I've used this channel to create videos that teach teachers how to use the tools that are available in whatever kind of classroom you have, whether you have Chromebooks or iPads or MacBooks or PCs, or if you just have a computer lab down the hallway. Pretty much everything I talk about on this channel is Google based, which is free, or other free services. Every now and then I'll talk about something that maybe is a freemium app if it's really, really good. But I do it in a different way than a lot of channels do, and I give you examples of how to use it in your classroom. And I include those examples when I'm doing my videos because I understand from being in the classroom and working with students, high school students, that they need examples in order to cement that raw knowledge that you're providing them, or that the textbook is, or that the internet is, and give them examples, some real life examples, some actual things that they can hook into to make that learning real. And I also understand that adults need the same thing. So when I'm talking to teachers, when I'm showing teachers new things, I always want to give them an example of how they can use this, how this is actually going to impact their life, and how it can be meaningful as a time saver, as an engagement piece, as whatever the topic of the video may be. Teachers need to know, people need to know how this information is useful to them. And so I try to provide that in all of my videos. Sometimes I do a good job, sometimes I need to work on it, but also that's where you come in. You can let me know in the comments in every video what you liked and what you didn't like. You can give me a thumbs up if you liked it. You can give me a thumbs down if you didn't. But you know, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel so that way you have that voice, so I can tell when there's a need and I can try and fill that need however I can, if I can. Sometimes I can't, maybe. We can talk about that together, and especially if we talk about it in our Patreon group. This channel has turned into such a wonderful resource and wealth of go-to quick information for teachers that I talk about it when I talk to teachers, not so much to promote my channel, but to say, hey, here's some free stuff, here's some good resources, go check it out. See if you can't learn something from it. All the time people are telling me, have you seen this yet? Have you looked at that yet? And so just the ideas have come in like gangbusters to make new videos and to put more content out there so that you, as the busy classroom teacher, can have a good place to go and find the information that you really, really need. My goal is to keep putting out videos at least once a week. I'd love to do it more often than that, and that's where you can come in. I've just started a Patreon. I feel really weird about this because I know teachers are some of the brokest people out there. Believe me, I'm a teacher. That's where I get my pay from as well. To make more than one video a week would be awesome, and I would love to do it. It's just the time constraints and the burden that it puts on me. But it's totally worth it to me, and I want to do that. So I'm asking you to join my Patreon. And in my Patreon team, you can give me ideas. You can help shape the future of Mr. Lee Teaches YouTube channel. Let me know what you like and what you don't like. This is for you. I don't make this for me. I will always make these videos, and they will always be free. So even if you don't want to join my Patreon, even if you don't have that dollar to share, by all means, keep coming back. Smash the like button and the subscribe button on the videos you watch, and let me know what you like. That way you can vote for free with the like button. And be sure to, when you do subscribe, to click the little bell so you get notified every time I put out a new video. But thanks for coming to my channel. Thanks for giving it a look. Let me know in the comments what you think.